I had no intention on being gone for 6 months, but I promise I had good reason. Sort of. This is Rinnah. She is 9 or 10 weeks. I think she's 10 weeks. So, my story of being gone. I was gonna post every day in December. Got busy, didn't get that done. She looks so cute. She's distracting. So, we had company. I didn't want to film in front of them. Then when things kind of settled in with them, I lost my voice for 7 weeks. And before that was up, we were busy with frequent appointments for the baby. Also, I didn't want to get found out. So I quit making videos. And for 2 months, I've been trying to get back. And I haven't made it back. So, there's more excuses in there. One of which, our hard drive is at the fix-it shop with our computer that is not fixable. So this video is going to be unedited. Kind of sloppy probably. But she's pretty cute. And we are loving having a baby again. It had been 5.5 years exactly from the birth of Azariah to the birth of Rinnah. And we are so thankful to have a baby again. Right? So, I'm hoping to get back into videos. I'm hoping to do some more edited videos, maybe a little nicer than this one. But what's nicer than a baby announcement? Nothing, I dare say. So if you didn't know, now you know. And if you did know, I'm hoping to be back. We'll see you next time.